Using a passcode is the safest and the most reliable way to block unauthorized access to your iPhone. But what if you forgot your iPhone passcode, your iPhone is unavailable, or iPhone passcode not working? Then you will be locked out of your iPhone. This video will show 3 tips to reset iPhone to factory settings without passcode. Let's get started. Tip 1. Reset iPhone to factory settings in recovery mode. If you've installed iTunes on your computer, then you can put your locked iPhone into recovery mode and reset iPhone without password afterward. If you are a Mac user, just using Finder. First, launch iTunes or Finder and enter recovery mode on your iPhone. To put your iPhone into recovery mode, press and quickly release the volume up button, press and quickly release the volume down button. Press and hold the side button until you see the recovery mode screen. Connect the locked iPhone to your computer via a USB cable. Choose Restore when you see the Restore or Update screen. It will take more than 15 minutes to download software for your iPhone. If it is stuck on the recovery mode, you will need to repeat the above methods. Tip 2. Reset iPhone to factory settings via iCloud. Here are the requirements you need to know before you choose this tip. First, Find My iPhone is enabled. Second, iPhone is connected to a network. Visit iCloud.com and sign in to your iCloud account. After signing in, go to Find My iPhone in all devices. Select the iPhone you want to erase and then click Erase iPhone. After that, you can set up and enter the iPhone. If you want the previous data back, you can restore your iCloud or iTunes backup during setup process. Tip 3. Factory reset iPhone without passcode. Download and run any unlock on your PC or Mac. Connect your iPhone via USB cable. Select Unlock Screen Passcode and click Start Now. Next, put your iPhone into recovery mode and click to download firmware. When the firmware downloaded, click Unlock Now. After screen passcode removed, set up your iPhone and done.